Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Prague public transport easily. Prague boasts an efficient and extensive public transport network, primarily consisting of the metro, trams, and buses. Understanding how to navigate this system is key to exploring the city effortlessly. We will cover everything from purchasing and validating tickets to understanding routes and essential travel tips. By the end, you will feel confident using Prague's excellent public transport like a local, making your visit much smoother and more enjoyable. Acquiring your ticket is straightforward. You can purchase them from distinctive yellow ticket machines found at metro stations and some tram stops, or at newsstands. For ultimate convenience, download the official PID Lidachka mobile application, which allows you to buy tickets directly on your phone. Remember, a 30-minute ticket costs 30 Czech crowns, and a 90-minute ticket costs 42 Czech crowns. Always validate your ticket immediately after purchase to avoid fines. Navigating Prague's public transport is quite simple once you understand the basics. The metro is the fastest way to travel, with 3 distinct lines, A, B, and C, each identified by a specific color. Green for A, yellow for B, and red for C. Trams and buses cover areas not reached by the metro, offering scenic routes. Always check the destination signs on vehicles and use the official app or station maps to plan your journey efficiently. To ensure a smooth experience, always keep your validated ticket handy. Inspectors frequently check. Fines for unvalidated tickets are substantial, so do not risk it. During peak hours, typically between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. and 6 p.m., vehicles can be crowded, so plan accordingly. For longer visits, consider a 24-hour or 72-hour pass, offering unlimited travel and excellent value. Enjoy exploring Prague with ease.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.